All right. So this is where we started with. They say if the sine of x plus y multiply the cos of x plus y is t, so this whole thing here is equaling to t. We were tempted to multiply. When we started, we were tempted to multiply this thing. This thing you should just leave it exactly the way it is. Stay away from it. And move on to the next one. And then if you go to the next one, we are given 4. We are given 4 cos 90. This one, at least we can do something with this one. I want this one. It can be reduced. Can you see this one?
Yes. And
now, so it's going to be reduced to 4 is this 4. Ne? And then if we reduce this one, it's going to be written as the sine of 2y.
Yes.
Multiplied by this one, it's still exactly the same thing. We can write it exactly that way. It's cos 2x plus this one, we write it exactly the way it is. It's 4 sine 2x. And then this one can be reduced, this one. And then it's only reducing, it's not changing, it's just reducing.
Yes.
So this is going to be written as the cos of 2y. And then if you look at this here, we have an identity. Then we can go and check with what kind of an identity it is. If you look at it, it looks like it's this thing here. Is this one of sine? And then there's a plus in between. Because look at this here, we can come and check it here so that you just confirm what I'm saying here. So if we say this one here, it's A here. Okay, let's do it with a different color. So we say this one here is A, and then this one here is B, and then this one here is going to be A, and then this one here is going to be what to be B. You can rearrange these things here such that it looks this way. You can write it as 4 the sine of 2y multiplied by the cos of 2x plus 4.
Cos 2y.
Cos 2y multiplied by the sine of 2x. Yeah, we can write it this way. I agree. This is plus. This is multiple. It's fine.
Yes. So say
yes.
What if I change it and I change it without rearranging it?
Yeah, you can change it. It's fine. There's no mark for you just changing it. There's still exactly the same thing. So which identity it is? Let's come and check here. Is this one of plus? You can see it.
Sine one mistake. Is sine plus.
Is this one of sine? And then we're going to tell them, okay, this thing here is this one of sine.
Yes.
Okay. Then if we have the one of sine, we have sine. Okay, let me pause this thing here. So we're saying this can be written as 4. We can take out 4 as a common factor. If you take out 4 as a common factor, you have a 4 here.
Yes.
You have a 4 here. Can you see that, Tavish?
Yes.
And then we say this is going to be written as the sine of 2x plus 2y. Doesn't matter. You can say 2y, 2x. Doesn't matter at the end of the day.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll give you a mark for reducing this one. We'll give you a mark for also reducing this one. We'll give you a mark for simplifying this. And then if you look at here, there is a common factor between these two things here. What's common there? So you have 4 sine 2 open bracket x plus y, like this.
Wow. Yes.
And then look at this. I can make this to be one angle. If I make this one to, let's say I say this is A here, then it means what I have sine 2A. Come and check what is sine 2a.
Mm.
You see sine 2a here.
Cosine A. Cosine A.
Wow.
Oh, this is
Then it means
Very
that this can be written as 4. Open bracket, this can be written as, this whole thing here, it can be written as 2, the sine of
Yes,
x
yes,
plus
yes.
y multiplied by the cos of x plus y. But remember, we know what is this whole thing here. This whole thing here,
Yes,
we
sir.
know what it is. This whole thing here, what is this whole thing here? From above here.
T.
T.
It's t, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, and then we have 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8, multiplied by t. And then it means which our answer is going to be 8t.
Wow.